We talked about sports a couple of days ago, but it would be good to know what does healthy mean in Azerbaijan. Master Azerbaijani word of today has for you SAÐLAM. SAÐLAM. SAÐLAM is healthy, robust, sound. They sound kind of different words, huh? Let's use some phrases to see how we can use those together. Healthy lifestyle, healthy competition, sound decision, or bless you. SAÐLAM həyat tərzi. Həyat tərzi is a lifestyle. Həyat, life, tərz, style. Tərzi, the style of life, basically. SAÐLAM həyat tərzi. SAÐLAM rəqabət. Rəqabət is competition, straightforward. SAŞLAM qərar, same here. Qərar is decision. SAŞLAM ol. If someone sneezes, that's how you say bless you. SAŞLAM ol. Like literally be healthy. Now time for sentences. SAŞLAM bədəndə sağlam ruh olar. This is a slogan that you may and will hear. A healthy spirit lives in a healthy body. Very well-known sentence in Azerbaijan. SAŞLAM bədəndə, in a healthy body. SAŞLAM ruh, ruh is a spirit, olar, can be, lives. A healthy spirit lives in a healthy body. Another one, bu sağlam qərardır. This is a sound decision. Qərar decision, qərardır is a decision. Bu, this. Nice and easy. That was today's word, sağlam. I have another way of using this. I did one push-up, so obviously I'm sağlam now, right? Okay, come back tomorrow for a new word if you are interested in learning Azerbaijani, and check masterazerbaijani.com for more if you are really interested in it.